Today I'm going to be showing you a possible way to generate 3D assets. Although they can't be used commercially, they can be used for, I think, personal purposes. So what I did to generate 3D models is that I installed Stable Diffusion in my local machine. You just download this Stable Diffusion and you run it. I got the link from the link to download Stable Diffusion and to use it with the web UI. I think it's this one. No, it's not this one. This one. You follow the instructions and you install Stable Diffusion. And from it, I'm not going to show you it, but from it, I generated this image. And from this image, I generated a 3D model using Trellis. To download Trellis, the link is right here. You just download this. You clone the GitHub repository and you follow the on-screen instructions, and you should be good to go. And so you install Trellis, and the final result from that was this model in Maximal. From an image, from this image right here, I went to this model, which I open up in Blend, to this model. I cleaned it up. It was a mess, that's why I had to clean it up. I cleaned it up, and now after that I uploaded it to Maximal, and I got this results. It's not perfect, but if you're gonna use something for your personal project, it's a good way to start. And the best part is that because it's installed on my local machine, I don't need to pay anybody any money to generate these. So thank you very much and have a good day.